Good evening, pigeon fanciers. Just thought I'd show you some of the babies that I've bred. There's a couple of adults in there, but mostly baby donaks. Nice children and molt out there. There's a nice owl, young owl, another yellow one. Some blue sentinels that I bred. Palsheshka, look at this one. I came out with the Palsheshka. Look at the colour. I'm holding on to that because it's something different. So yeah, these are about the babies that I've bred at the moment. Got a few more in there. A couple of older ones in there, but a couple of white turbits, but yeah, breeding's going alright at the moment. So yeah, just thought I'd do a quick video, and yeah, have a good day, enjoy your pigeons. Cheers.